Hey everybody, I'm out in my yard. It is so pretty today. It's a little bit chilly, but it feels great. I wanted to come outside and show you this vest that I made because I felt like being outside you would really be able to see the details. I've talked before about altered couture and things that I've made for the shop that I used to have. This is just a vest. Yeah, okay. Sometimes I would buy jackets and cut the sleeves out and turn them into vests. So I'm not sure. I think this was a vest. This could have been a jacket. All I did was change up buttons. Isn't that pretty? And look at that one. So pretty. I added birds. Let me stand up so you can really see. And then I will show you the back of this. Light's better. Now we're inside the workshop and the light's a little different in here, but I think you can still see the vest. I love this. I wore it on a nature walk today, and let me show you the back. I added a pocket. What is this from? I'm trying to remember. But you can see all the layers, kind of like I like to do my junk journals. All the different layers of fabric. The skull down here on the pocket is one of my favorite things. And then we have a little denim pocket added to this side. This just came from a pair of jeans. There's a lot of vintage lace on here. This vest has been washed several times and it has held up great. You can see the ticking underneath. I made this probably 5 or 6 years ago, and I mostly wear it on my nature walks. I called it a hunter-gatherer vest because it's got all the little pockets, and you can see I added this pocket. That's right. So this one I might have, no, the original pocket is there with fabric sewn over the top, and then this, you can see I just pulled a little string off. I think this was another jean pocket that I added. So let's button this back up, and I've got these pockets here that hold things, and then in the back, of course, like if I'm walking with Jason, say I found a piece of old bottle or something, not something sharp that would cut through this, but some of the river glass that's been in the water for a long time. We don't take rocks or plants or anything like that. You're not supposed to remove parts of the landscape when we're out walking. And like at my mom's, if we're picking flowers or if I'm picking up guinea feathers, I have all of these wonderful pockets that I can use. Just wanted to share this with you. This is altering clothing is one of my favorite things to do. It's so much fun. You can just do it however you want to. It's kind of like a junk journal. I like being able to add what I like. And then this strip of trim, I love that. Love how all the colors work together. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will be back really soon. Bye for now.